Hey, it's me, Elena, and this is a box that I have been dreaming of holding for 10 years. This is the first Asian doll I saw and fell in love, romantic girly Chiika. Maybe that's why Chiika is my favorite mold. Duh. Let's unpack this hello from the past together and remember all doll releases. Her box is unusual compared to dolls you see nowadays. It's fully made from cardboard without a plastic outer box. For some reason, it's a lot nicer to hold this box for me. Box is white and covered in pink and purple flower patterns. This is the same pattern we can see on her dress. Also on the box, various animals and birds are displayed. They all turn to the doll direction as she is luring them with her cuteness. Above the animals is a big rainbow going across the whole box. On the front as well as on the sides we see the name of the release, Romantic Girly. Also it is noticed that it is a Asian original doll unit and it is already a 7th series Asian created with their dolls. On the top is a smiley portrait of Chiika on a plain pink background. On the back we see more pictures of the doll wearing both outfits from the set. Yes, that is one of the things I love about this doll, that they included 2 different outfits with her. Here we also learn that Romantic Girly is Chiika's favorite clothing brand. As always, here we can see information about pureneemo dolls and their cute picture in school uniforms. Her price was 11,550 yen on the day of the release. Chiika has golden colored hair with 2 curly ponytails. I really love how Asian was more creative with hairstyles before. I don't think I remember any curls on the latest dolls. It's usually just straight or wavy. Yes, curly hair is more difficult to maintain, but aren't they so cute? Unfortunately, from laying in her box for years, they lost their perfect shape, but I think it could be fixed easily. Her ponytails are fixed with transparent hairbands, and years have not passed unnoticed here too. They are completely dried out and just falling apart. Underneath her head is painted in tan color. As a fan of purple color, I'm very happy with her cute purple eyes. They have little pink reflections. Her cheeks have a pink blush with little white dots. She is a smiling version of Chiika. Surprisingly, her counterpart doll show version with dark brown hair is also smiling, but I think I like this one more. This is very meaningful doll for me. She makes me remember when I first saw Asian dolls and fell in love with them. What was the first Asian doll for you? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos and want to support me. Her skin tone is normal. On top she is wearing a very cute purple blazer with cute details. Just look at this tiny button or pocket. Button, by the way, is not functional and its function plays a hidden hook. Pocket is made from the same flower fabric and I love that they use this element everywhere so everything looks harmonious. Sleeves on the end have elastic strings creating a nice wavy edge. I don't really like edges because they turn inside out, which makes it look not neat. Her blouse is white and the color has 2 layers of pink and flower pattern ruffles. It also has a cute made of fabric purple bow. Blouse has rows of beautiful laces in the front and pink mud beads decorations. On the bottom it has lace, same as around armholes. Behind it fastens with metallic snaps. Her skirt is of a pink color and straight. On the bottom it has layers of pink and purple ruffles, which makes it more puffy. On the sides it has pink ribbons. Skirt of Sugar Dream Chiika looks oddly similar. The difference is that the skirt of the Romantic Girly Chiika is just 2 layers and has an additional ribbon which goes around on top of ruffles. It fastens on a metallic snap from behind. Underneath it has a pink underskirt made from a rough material. Panties are cotton of a pink color with little pink bow. Her socks are white and have white lace on top. Her shoes are of a light beige color with the same color shoelaces. Sole is made from wood, which is usual for early years Asian dolls. It also has a little heel. Inside the doll's box has a pink cardboard background with white silhouettes of all the animals and rainbow. With the doll we also got an additional beautiful flower pattern dress, same pattern as on the box. It is made from cotton. This dress has white collar, pink tucks and ruffles on sleeves. On the front, pink beads imitates buttons, same as on her blouse. On the bottom this dress has pink and purple ruffles. Behind it fastens with a white zipper. With the doll we got pink hairbands which imitate their shape roses. They will go on both ponytails of the doll. They are stretchy and fastened with metallic snaps. For this dress they put a separate belt. This belt has silver metallic buckle and it is sewn from the same flower pattern cotton material. I guess it also can be used for her blouse. Set of booklets surprisingly was hiding behind the box. It has doll maintenance guide which looks a bit shorter than nowadays one. One amazing thing which I really hope they would do with all the dolls, postcard with the doll. It's an actual postcard which you can send to someone. Look at these cute bunnies on the stamps place. Special doll booklet is very big. On the front it has Chiika laying down on a pink background and different cookie animals just floating around her. When we open this booklet, we see both Chiika dolls in full height and some information about Chiika character, her birthday, favorite things and all the basic information. We can learn that she is kind, like books and making puddings. She has also a sister and apparently those clothes are a present from her. On next pages we see ads of different outfits available in the store back then. They are all of a romantic girly brand and very cute and sweet. Next we even got a comic. It's about how Chiika is very kind and helping to everyone. She even helped her sister in a cafeteria. And for this her sister Chisa made her a present, dress and blouse. On the other page is a basic information about execute characters and body type. I really liked warm feelings from this booklet and it's very informative. There is also a questionnaire about Azone dolls to answer and send to the store with a privacy sticker. How do you feel about older Azone dolls? Do you like them more or less? To me, older dolls look more interesting. Just remember Punk Girl Collection, Secret Wonderland or Forest Animals. I hope Azone will do something great again, because latest Magical Girl Collection personally to me was kinda disappointing. I actually even think to get her sister. It would be interesting to compare them. Love dolls and Kon-kon.